Hi everybody, it's Tishka here. So we are down, I'm gonna get my umbrella down just a little bit. It is just so hot out here. It's 104 degrees and we are at the local junkyard, the pick and pull. Put my umbrella back on. We have teamed up. Our daughter's car was stolen a couple weeks ago and we got it back. And it is in need of a whole steering column and blinker and accessories. So my husband and I, we teamed up. We came down to help the kid out, so we're down here wandering through the pick and pull and go to get some parts to try to piece it back together. She lives in the city and it's just not a thing to go buy a new car for. You know, everything's gonna get trashed down there anyway, so spend a few bucks, help the kid out, get her car up and running. It's what parents do. We jump in and we volunteer and we get our hands dirty, not knowing what we're getting into, but we're doing it. So this is what you do. It's the same thing with the business. You just gotta go for it. Jump on in, screw a few things up, fix it, and then you understand it. And that's okay. It's all good. So we are down here having a great day. Hope everybody is doing well, and we will catch you guys later. Bye now.